Hello guys, this is Sinai Cash Shoots and I'm making this video for you guys. Sorry, I'm not very technically savvy, but I'm making a video for you showing the defective light for the table, the concept furniture table that I bought. As you can see here, I'm putting it into the power source. I've tried it in several different ones. And see, when I first plug it in here, I can't show you me plugging it in and it flickering at the same time. But see there, it just flickers when I plug it in. I'm unplugging it and plug it in, and it flickers. It will not come on. As you see, I've tried doing the remote each way by holding it. Says hold it twice. I've held it twice. I've held it for 5 seconds. When I first assembled the table, it actually did come on. Then I turned it off, and the next day I tried to turn it on, and this is what happened. So that's why I took it out, and I was going to mail it back to you, but you said that wasn't necessarily necessary to mail it back, that you would send me a replacement. So this is the video you requested. I hope this works. Thank you.
Has this ice truck theory, and then here you are to back it up.
She's good, Lieutenant. You should give her a chance.
You know, you should call me Maria. I'll tell you who's good if you are. Doug's picked up the kill in the Coquette murders. You were right. When was her boyfriend? Of course. Doug still hates you.
Of course.
Now can't be too far away from the yellow card, I would have thought. I'm not quite sure why he wants to remonstrate with Sergio Gomez either. I thought I was straight away. I'm going to talk you to him, no yellow card.
Voy a armar mi mesa, miren chicas, miren cómo se ve. Miren, aquí le voy a poner luz el LED y así se ve. Está bacán.
The internet audience understood how it was wrong, but so many people are just